Welcome to Codifix, where you learn and enhance your programming experience. In this video, we have shared how TypeError (str) object is not callable. This error message is typically raised in Python when you attempt to call a string as if it were a function or method. For example, consider the following code. Let's run this code. This kind of problems you can find. This code will raise a type error. Str object is not callable because greeting is a string and cannot be called like a function. To fix this error, you need to ensure that you are only calling functions or methods that are defined for the object in question. In the example above, you could fix the error by using string concatenation instead of attempting to call the greeting string. This would correctly output "Hello, World Alice" without raising an error. Hopefully, this video helps you to sort out the issue you are facing. If you still face problem or need further help, just write in comments. I will reply you as soon as possible. Before you go, if you like this video, you can subscribe for this channel for future videos, which can help and assist you further.